Students, today we are going to discuss the topic of exercise 2.7, the division by 10, 100 and etc. Now you can see I have taken example, it is 315 divided by 10. Now decimal is actually lying here. Now it will shift on this side. One place left hand side. So you can see what is the answer comes here. Answer will come 31.5. This will go to here on one place on the left hand side. How many zeros are there? That means it will shift. Now you can see one more example. It is 32.4 divided by 100. What is the number? 32.4 divided by 100. Now you can see it has got two zeros down, means 100. So it will shift two places. So 1, 2. The answer will come 0.324. You can see it is easily understood now. Like this, if we divide by 1000, so what will come here? Suppose I take 343 divided by 1000. What is the answer will come? If there is no decimal, decimal lies here. If there is no decimal, decimal lies here. So it will shift again three places. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 0.343 is the answer. I think this is clear to you. It is division by 10, 100 and 1000. Let us see one more time now. Division of a decimal by a number by a whole number. This division of a decimal number, it is decimal number. Division of a decimal number by a whole number. Now you can see it is a decimal number, this is a whole number. So how to do? Just see here, first step, you will do like this here. Then I will try to make it in 100 form. So it is not easy like this. So you will write here 6.4 divided by 2. Now you can see this will become 64 by 10 and this will be division becomes multiplication. It will become 1 by 2. But I want this 10, I don't want this 2. So this will cancel out. It becomes 32. You can see now it is 32 by 10 and this will become, the answer will come as 3.2. Why 3.2? Because here it will shift one place. So the answer comes 3.2. Here, this is I am doing here decimal by a whole number. You can see easily it is decimal by a whole number. So you can see this is a decimal number and this is a whole number. So we will try to find out 64. First we will convert in the fraction form and then we will do simplification and division. We will take reciprocal of the second number. You can see it is clear to you. Now come on the third type. It is a division of a decimal number by a decimal number. I have taken one example. You can see here. I will do like this now. 25.5 first I will write in the form of division like this. Now as we have seen, division becomes multiplication by doing reciprocal. So first I will convert this one. So it comes 25 by 10, 255 by 10 and this becomes, it is better write as it is and this write 5 by 10. Now we will take reciprocal of this. So it comes 255 by 10. Here 10 by 5. 10 cancels. Already we know up and down cancellation is possible. And this is 5 is the 5. So 5 5 is 25. 5 is the 5. The answer comes here. Here comes 1. Here comes 51 is the answer. What is the answer? 51 is the answer. You can see the answer is 51. So I am writing here equal to 51. Now I think it is clear to you. There are three types of sums are there in this exercise. One is division by 10, 100 or 1000. One is division of decimal number by a whole number. And one is division of a decimal number by a decimal number. I think it is clear to you. Now we will see the exercise 2.7 which is based upon these 3 points. So it should be clear now. And if you have, we will see now the application of this in question number 1.
Sir.
Yes, now we will see question number 1 of this exercise. You can see the sum. It is 0.4 divided by 2. You can see it is 0.4 divided by 2. So now first we will convert this in the fraction form. So it is 4 by 10 divided by 2. 4 by 10 divided by 2. Now you can see here. Now I will convert this division into multiplication. I will take reciprocal of this. So it will come 4 by 10. And this becomes 1 by 2. Now you do cancellation. So it comes 2 by 10. And 2 by 10 means answer is 0.2. What is the answer? It is 0.2. Why 0.2? because decimal lies here, it will shift here. So answer comes 0.2. Let me explain once again. It is 0.4. So it means it is one digit after decimal. So I will write 10. So it is 4 by 10 divided by 2. So it becomes, you can see here, 4 by 10, and this division becomes multiplication. In the next step I converted, and I will take reciprocal of this, so it becomes 1 by 2. And you can see I have cancelled here up and down. It is 2 ones are, and here 2 twos are. You can see now it is 2 by 10, and 2 by 10 means 0.2. Now let us see the next one. It is 0.35 divided by 5. Again same way. First I will convert 0.35, so it will come as 35 by 100 and divided by 5. At a time only, move only one step. 35 by 100. Now 35 by 100, I will take reciprocal of this and I will change this as division as multiplication. 5 sevens are, 5 ones are. You can see this answer is 7 by 100. Again decimal lies here, it will shift 2 places. The answer comes 0.07 is the answer. What is the answer? 0.07. Just once again see here, 0.35 divided by 5. So first I am removing decimal. So it will come 35 by 100 divided by 5, and you can see now 35 by 100. Now I change this sign, I made as multiplication. So when you do multiplication, you take a reciprocal. So it comes 1 by 5. Now 7 by 100, so it comes 0.07. Now next, you can see same way I am doing this also here. It will come 248 divided by 100, and I will keep this as it is. Now next step, 248. Now 100, and this I will write as 1 by 4. Multiply by 1 by 4. Now you can see I am doing cancellation. So 4 ones are, 4 6 are, and 4 twos are. So what is the answer? 62 upon 100. Now decimal lies here. It will shift again left side. When division happens by 100 or 10, you can see decimal shift here. So answer is 0.62. What is the answer? 0.62. Next, you can see now here again same way. It comes 654 divided by 10. 654 divided by 10 and division by 6. Now again same method, I will convert, make as a multiplication, take reciprocal. 654 divided by 10, here comes 1 by 6, right? You can see now cancellation. So 6 ones are 6, then what comes here? 6 nines are 54. But it directly doesn't come, we will put 0 here. 6 nines are 54. So it is coming here 109 divided by 10. What is the answer? 109 divided by 10. So it will come as, decimal will shift here. Answer is 10.9. What is the answer? 10.9 is the answer. Just see this all one by one. Let me explain once again. From this you can see once again. 0.4 divided by 2. So it is 4 by 10 divided by 2. Then cancellation happen. Answer is 2 by 10 and then 0.2. You can see this again 35 by 100. Division becomes multiplication. Take reciprocal of this 5. So it 1 by 5. Again cancellation, then 0.07 is the answer. The next one, 248 by 100. Division becomes multiplication. One reciprocal of the second number, 1 by 4 and 62 by 100. Answer is 0.62, and like this we got 10.9. Okay. Now we will see the fifth part. You can see the number is 6651.2, means 651.2 divided by 4. So again same method. First I will write 6512 divided by 10, and this as it is 4. Now you can see here 6512 divided by 10. Again I will convert this in division to multiplication. So 1 by 4. Now I will do cancellation. So you can see here 4. It comes 16 times. 16. So it comes 4 ones are 4. Then it comes here. What is the answer? Comes here 25. So it comes 6. So you can see here it is coming here 1 minute. Let's stop for this. Yes, now you can see here 4. I'm starting division with the 4 here. 4 ones are 4. So it comes here. What is remaining here? 25. So 4 6 are 24. So what is remaining here now? 24. So 11 is remaining. 4 2s are 8. Now remaining is 3. So 4 8 are 32. So answer is 1628 upon 10. 1628 upon 10. Now you can see the answer comes here. 162.8 is the answer. What is the answer? 162.8 is the answer. Next now, same way we will do here. By 100. Here now I will write keep as it is. Now divided by 100 as it is. I will make this as 1 by 7 multiplication. Now 7 7 7 to the 14 and 0 because 7 table 4 is not coming. 7 7 is 49. So if 207 divided by 100, it would come as 2.07. That is the answer, 2.07. The next one you can see now 396 divided by 100. This as it is. Now 396. This division becomes multiplication and take reciprocal of this. Now cancellation. 4 9s are 36. What is remaining here? Again 3 remaining. So 4 9s are. It comes 99 upon 100. It comes 0.99. What is the answer? 0.99 is the answer. You can see the answer 0.99. Next again it comes as 80 upon 100 and this divided by 5. Now division becomes multiplication. So 80 by 100 multiply by 1 by 5, it comes 16. So 16 by 100, the answer comes 0.16 is the answer. Decimal will shift 1 2 2 places, 1 because 2 zeros are there, 0.16. You can see now, again let me explain. The first answer is 162.8. What is the answer? 162.8. The next answer is 2.07. The next answer is 0.99. And the next answer is 0.16. And you can see the step. It is like similar like a previous questions. So previous sums. So you can see now division and cancellation has happened. First you convert this in fraction form. Then convert second number in the fraction. And you can do the cancellation and simplification. And the answer comes. I stop my discussion over here. Thank you.